What's the meaning of cremate? Cremate. Cremate.
Cremate. Cremate. Cremate means to burn a dead person's body, reducing it to ashes. The process takes place in a crematorium or a special furnace. The body is placed in a container and exposed to extremely high temperatures, which cause the body to break down and turn into bone fragments and ash. The remaining bones fragments are then crushed to form a fine powder. The resulting ashes are typically placed in an urn and may be scattered in a location of the family's choosing or kept as a remembrance.